how to add your laptop webcam to OBS Studio. So if you want to go and add your camera to your screen recording, I'll show you how to do this in just a couple easy steps. Now first go and open up OBS Studio like so. You could then come down to Sources and click on the plus icon. Now from the list of options, you need to select Video Capture Device. You could then decide to give this a custom name and make sure Make Source Visible is turned on like this. Now press OK and click on the drop down arrow next to Device. So from here you need to go and select your laptop's webcam. Now if it looks like this on the screen with a camera icon with a line through it, that means your camera is currently turned off. So if you have a privacy slider on your webcam, you'll just need to go and move this to the left or the right to reveal your camera. Now once your camera is turned on, you can scroll down the page and here you can change your different camera settings. You can then go and press OK. And now on the screen, you'll see a preview of your webcam like this. Now you may want to resize this, so if you go and drag the edges of the webcam, you can then go and place this in the bottom left or right hand side of your screen recording.